Hello everyone, my name is Jayashree Gupta and I am from Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. Apart from being a student, I am also a content writer at RPA Technologies. I am also the co-founder of Cards Heaven, an online handmade gift store. Recently, I have been awarded the AG's National Talent Hunt Graham Bell Award by Nitin Gadkari ji for my extraordinary performance in academics and projects, securing 2 internships during my engineering and a placement with a decent package in 2 companies, along with 100% scholarship for my masters. I can assure you that soft skills definitely play a vital role. For me, the introduction of soft skills and personality development happened with Willys Ma'am in first year of my engineering. She helped me transform from tip to toe. She made me understand the importance of gesture, posture, attire, and even the simplest thing of carrying a beautiful pen in an interview, helping me with the previously asked questions and guiding me the answers which are most sought for. She has made the interview process extremely easy for me. She has always been an inspiration, motivation, and a true mentor to me. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being so fabulous, not just as a teacher, but also as a mentor. Then, now, and forever. Thank you. Keep blessing your students.